That one.
So let's bring that one in. Okay. I think welcome to CACC Cookout, right?
All right.
Memorial Cookout, welcome. Yeah. You have Master Chef Phil. Master Kung Phil over there. What is he doing over there? Shrimp kebab. Check him out with his kebab over there.
I got him already, man. I've been checking everybody.
Oh my God.
In our hearts.
That's me. It's me. I wrote it.
You wrote it and you don't know your own name?
No. I was very You get to see us over here?
All right, you're 15.
Explain to me what this is.
This is our square raffle where you buy a square for $20 and you have the opportunity to win a big prize like $500 or a second prize $350 and a third prize of $150. The drawing will take place once all the squares are filled. I tried 6. What's your name?
Elaine. Yes. Elaine G.
C?
G.
your name? And Ivan. Where are you guys from? Moved to Port St Lucie.
We moved from Connecticut.
Oh, you moved from Connecticut, so did I. Yes, I moved from Bloomfield, Connecticut. Here, yes.
We were in West State then.
Okay, so welcome to Florida and welcome to CACG as a matter of fact.
Okay.
We are a non-profit membership club and we're looking for all nationalities from all the Caribbean islands. We do accept Americans as well because as our name suggests, we're Caribbean American cultural group. So yes, we welcome you to come by anytime. We are open on Fridays for games and socialization. And come to the club and we will explain all about all the things that we do. This should become your home away from home.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity to meet other Caribbean islands. We have a lot of activities here. Welcome and I hope you enjoy your day. This is going to be our new headquarters. It's not yet ready, but we're in the process of building this, and that's why
I came to the one before you.
yes, we're doing fundraisers in order to facilitate the build out of our new building. So welcome and enjoy the rest of the day.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey! And you have your own music, huh? Are you all enjoying yourself?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good to have you all. Great. Say something to me. Talk to me about it.
Oh, you're videotaping. Oh, listen, we are so excited.
We're excited for a new building. I can't wait for it to be completed so we can finally have our own. And this is a brand new CATG. And we're looking for new members. This is the place to be. Coming direct from your girl, Carla Bubbly. Hey. Hey.
Talk to me.
Here at new CACG headquarters, you know, it's live, it's lovely, it's lavish. We're having a good time. We have people out here from all walks of life, all types of cultures, all types of places, and it's a very okay experience. Yeah, man.
Thank you, brother. Talk to me about this today.
I like it. I thought it was a good idea. Whoever came up with the idea, we are here socializing and having a wonderful time. And I'm happy we decided to do it, especially on Memorial Day. We had somewhere to go.
Today, what's your life about today? Talk to me.
Today is a beautiful day. The barbecue is beautiful. Nice.
Enjoying yourself?
Enjoying myself.
Good. You're always good to see you. You're always a supporter. So thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Today, such a beautiful day at CACG, new home, and we're having a wonderful, wonderful What can I tell you? Having fun.
You enjoying today?
Yeah.
Okay. And you like the venue so far?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Very good. Talk to Mom now. How's it going?
Very good.
Everything is good?
Yes.
Okay, glad to have you as usual. One of our premier members. So enjoy the rest of the day. All right.
Beautiful day, beautiful day.
Okay, and are you a member?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, you like what you see?
Yes.
Okay, we're hoping in the future then we'll have you as a member. Enjoy the rest of the day.
You too.
All right. How are you doing today? Are you enjoying the event?
Oh yes, it's an awesome day, great turnout, and the weather is beautiful.
Thank you. Are you enjoying today? Okay. Anything particular that you like? You're getting a lot of food?
Yeah, the food was good.
Yeah?
Inside of the club is very spaceful.
Yes.
Nice.
Fantastic. Thank you. Hey, are you all having a good time?
We're having a fabulous time.
Okay. What in particular like?
The food was good, the ambiance is good, the people are friendly and happy. Everything's perfect.
Fantastic.
Paradise.
Here's my man. How you doing, guys?
Yes, I like the scenery.
All right.
I see the potential.
Great.
Wow.
Well, we're-
Annual picnic, right?
Yes.
Yes, we can make this into an annual picnic.
Well, it will be a better stay tuned next time we have this. So hopefully it will
Yes.
be coming. Glad to have you all. And Ms. President, you want to say a word about today?
Oh my God. I'm just overwhelmed, yes, and overjoyed really at where we're coming from. And just seeing the camaraderie of everyone out today celebrating, even though we're not where we're supposed to be yet, but just the excitement and everybody being together today celebrating Memorial Day, remembering the people that sacrificed their lives for us to be here. It's just an awesome moment, and I'm so proud to be the leader of CACG, and we're looking forward to big things and better things next year and more to come.
Well
I'm
taken.
willing to give you another 4 more years.
Oh no, not more, no, 2 more years, 2 more.
Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful time.
What leader?
Talk to me.
What is the leadership?
We just want you to tell me how you're enjoying yourself. Yes. And you got enough food?
Lots of food, lots of Ludo, my favorite game, and I'm winning.
There you go. Fantastic.
Beautiful day. We're spending the day barbecuing at our brand new club. And this is going to be great. This is the future coming up for us.
Fantastic.
It's going to be
Open your
wonderful.
eyes, so.
And you're having a good time.
I'm having a great time. See what I'm having?
All right.
A beer.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. How you doing?
Today is very nice. One of the most beautiful days for a long time.
And you like the venue and you're enjoying it?
Oh, it's so beautiful, man. This is the thing. This is the beat for the day. It's Memorial Day. Very nice. It's matter of fact, one of the best Memorial Days I've
Fantastic.
had for a long time.
Good to hear from you, brother.
I'm enjoying
Good. Bye-bye.
I want that. Thinking about everything.
Okay, enjoying it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Socializing.
So guys, how are you enjoying yourself? Is it good?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah?
Look at this guy in that brother's case, man. Look at it.
Yeah.
He always smiling, but he's a special gold man.
Nice. Well, good to have you guys as usual.
All right, that's what was here.
yourself.
How are you enjoying it?
Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous day. Very hot though. But to God be the glory.
Jackie?
I'm enjoying myself. I'm happy that I could be here.
Got enough food?
Yes,
More than enough.
more than enough.
Good, good. Good to have you.
I just finished my bread pudding.
All right. You are the lady with the money.
Where she going, madam? You forgot she changed.
Maybe you should donating it.
Maybe. But
Enjoying yourself?
$5. Yes.
Good, good, good. All right.
305.
Right.
Hey, God.
Working the building.
Instruction time, everybody start. Rock to the left, rock to the left. Then you lean to the right, lean to the right. Up on the table with a bucket of ice. We come here to enjoy the night. Girls, money and rum.